Good afternoon, friends. Now I'm going to discuss about how to take answer sheet from the institute. How to apply for to getting answer sheet. Whatever you are writing exam, you wrote already exam and you have doubt, results are not clear, or you want to see how the answers we wrote and how they are checking. So we can go for student button and go for their examination. Then you can see here the procedure for obtaining certified photocopy of answer sheet. You just click on this, so you will get to know जिन जिन लोगों को आंसर शीट लेना है देखना है वो फर्स्ट ICMA वेबसाइट जाइए, वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट में क्लिक करिए और उसमें ही आपको एग्जामिनेशन का और एक आइकॉन दिखेगा, वहाँ क्लिक कीजिए. सो उसमें से फिर हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर आंसर शीट, click on that icon, so you'll get this script. So we can see here the procedure is same. Here the date of here date will change. You can see here application for photocopy they are given 13/9/2018, September 13 तक ही होना चाहिए, that is 21 days after the result. So 20, that is a 31 days, this is a 21 days for the photocopy. The difference between verification and this 13 21 days for photocopy and 31 days for verification. Okay, so the last date for applying photocopy for answer sheet is 13/9/2018 for foundation, intermediate and final. They already given in written in the script. Okay, so again the same note, only one application form to be filled up, giving the choice of students. Multiple application by the same candidate are not liable to be rejected. One candidate, one application, you cannot apply again and again, so you just be careful. And here per photocopy you have to pay 500 rupees per subject. It is a 500 rupees. For applying a photocopy you have to pay 500 rupees per paper. So be careful. If you want to apply for it, who have confidence so they it will change, or you want to see the how you wrote the question paper, for you can take this. The results will be in the 0.1 answer sheet you can apply. Whoever are applying for verification result, verification for subjects, better you can apply for the both, like answer sheet and verification. You just apply for verification as well as photocopy. After verification only you will get the answer sheet. Okay, if you apply both you can get to know they are changing or not, they are anything they are doing, whatever the changes happen or they are giving, as well as you just whoever have that confidence, okay, I need to get 1 marks or 2 marks for the clearing subjects, so you apply for the both the things, verification as well as answer sheet. They will verify and then they will give the answer sheet. So now for application photocopy of answer sheet 500 rupees. The date, last date for the inter foundation and final 13/9/2018. And the same procedure where I spoken as a verification, the same application you have to fill here. You just keep here your registration number, click on here, you will get the 8 subjects. You choose whatever you want subjects and go for the payment. For including service tax you have to pay 507 per subject, 507 for per subject. So be careful. What if you want, apply it. If you don't want, leave it. Don't keep the hope anything, just watching for your answer sheet you can apply. That's it. So जिन जिन लोगों को फोटोकॉपी आंसर शीट का फोटोकॉपी लेना है वो इस फॉर्म में आके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आपका स्टूडेंट चाहिए उसमें एग्जामिन, आप फर्स्ट मेन वेबसाइट में जाइए, दैट इज ICMAI.com. देन उसमें आप स्टूडेंट क्लिक करिए, उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन, उसके बाद यू विल गेट एप्लीकेशन फॉर फोटोकॉपी आंसर शीट ऑन द वन साइड कॉलम यू विल गेट, वहीं पे क्लिक कीजिए और ये एप्लीकेशन ओपन हो जाएगा. लास्ट डेट फॉर अप्लाइंग दिस, जिनको अप्लाई करना है उसके लिए लास्ट डेट है. जिसको फोटोकॉपी चाहिए, अपना पेपर आपको देखना है, जिसको चाहिए वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए लास्ट डेट है 13 सितंबर 2018. फॉर इंटर के लिए भी सेम है, फाउंडेशन के लिए भी सेम है और फाइनल के लिए भी सेम है. बट एक एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए 500 पे करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज इंक्लूडिंग सर्विस चार्ज, इट इज ए 507. So the same procedure एंड एप्लीकेशन एक ही मिलेगा. सो थिंक एंड अप्लाई. सो जिनको अप्लाई करना है और जिनको सीरियस है कि हाँ मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, तो आई विल टेल द बेटर सोल्यूशन, गो फॉर द सेम सब्जेक्ट फॉर फोटोकॉपी एंड वेरिफिकेशन. जिनको अप्लाई करना है और जिनको कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो मैं जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ उनको फोटोकॉपी एज वेल एज रिजल्ट वेरिफिकेशन भी डाल दीजिए. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. सो आपको पता चलेगा इसमें क्या मिस्टेक है, उन्होंने दिया है या नहीं. सो this is it, the form of answer sheet. If you like the video, click on the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Be careful while filling the forms, and when you are deciding, don't waste your money and time, because verification results will come at the starting month of November or October end. So till that you will keep the hope and wait for that. It's a waste of time. Just think and decide. For your satisfaction you can do this, or result will be very less in the 0.1 or 0.2%. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.